Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Happy Visas. It's the English champion here again. I decided to put a little bit of my Mexican costume on, just to break it up a little bit. So anyway guys, phrasal verbs, them dreaded phrasal verbs, if you want to get to advanced fluent level, you need to know them. So let's start. So the first phrasal verb, call back. Let's keep it simple. Let's keep it sweet. When you call back somebody, you return or call someone again. First example, guys, I'm in a meeting. I'll call you back later. I will call you back later. Second example, your mother just called. She asked you to call her back when you have some free time. That's how you can use that. Call in, invite a person to come into the office. You might call in the staff for a staff meeting. You might call in sick. You might have a problem and you call in sick. So the first one, we have a problem. Let's call in a favor. Pete owes us. Our friend Peter, he owes us. Maybe he can fix our computers. We did a favor for him before. Let's call in that favor. We need to call in all the medical staff. We have an emergency. We have a medical emergency. That's the second way you can use call in. The third one, I had to call in sick. I had the flu. We will be understaffed today. John just called in sick. Horrible when it happens. You're understaffed. Everybody has to pull their weight and do a bit of an extra job. Call off, to cancel something that has been planned. God forbid you have to call off your wedding or your birthday party or your reception. God forbid. So the first example, we had to call off the wedding. We both got sick. Probably they had a huge argument and decided they were not meant for each other. Second example, the police had to call off the dogs. The criminals were long gone. So the dogs were looking for the criminals and they just called them off. Maybe they found the criminals and they attacked them, and the police, to stop the attack, called off the dogs, apprehended the criminals, arrested them, and called off the dogs. Call up when you drafted to the army. First example, Gavin was served his call-up papers. He was drafted into the army. Can you believe I have been called up to serve in the army? If I get called up, I hope it's the Salvation Army. Oh, excuse me. Second, I miss my father. I wish I could call him up. I miss my mother. I wish I could call her up. That's the way you can use call up. Calm down. When nervous, angry, excited, or even violent. We cannot sail until the seas calm down. It is very dangerous. We cannot sail until the sea calms down. It is very dangerous. So, if something is turbulent, shaky, let's hope it calms down. But the same with yourself. He was very aggressive, so we had to restrain him until he calmed down. We've all done it. You're holding somebody, you're calming them down. Third example, calm down, you're making a scene. All been there, the better half is creating a scandal. Calm down, woman. I didn't live very long after saying that, but you get my point. Calm down. When you're making a scene, normally very embarrassing, you tell that person to calm down. Maybe somebody's got a gripe, a complaint, checking for an aeroplane. When you're in the supermarket, something upsets somebody and you tell them to calm down. So that's a few phrasal verbs. If you like the video, please like, please make a comment, please subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. Cheers. See you later. See you later, alligators.